Hello there and welcome to the Sourced Coffee YouTube channel. My name is Ash and I will be your host for this video. Now before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our future content. And feel free to check out all previous videos that we have on this channel via the links in the description down below. In this video, we will be looking at this machine right here, the Coffetek Vitro X1 MIA fresh bean and fresh milk machine. This is recommended for up to 150 cups per day. It has one grinder and coffee bean hopper and two other product canisters, one for chocolate and the other one for granulated milk should you run out of fresh milk. It has 12 different drink selections, including hot water for tea and hot chocolate, and the milk fridge capacity on this machine is 9 litres. The machine also has technology which enables a touch-free drink selection alongside the touch button option. It is powered by two 13-amp plugs, is a plumbed-only machine for both water and waste, and has an automatic rinse cycle after 5 minutes of non-use. It also requires a 10-minute cleaning cycle once per day. Now, if you have any other questions or you wish to browse the full range of products and services that we offer here at Sourced Coffee, you'll need to click on the link down below which will take you to the Sourced Coffee website. We hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go, and thank you so much for watching this video.